Hey, what's up, my viewers, my subscriber? Hedera Hashgraph is one of the fastest cryptocurrency in this time, absolutely on the trending. I'm really impressed now, my friend, from Hedera Hashgraph, but absolutely they will do it now. Absolutely they will do now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time also people are starting loving now in this, but definitely it's a very good time. My friends, Hedera Hashgraph, let's move, my friends, to the moon now. Absolutely this time on the trending, so I am really like it now, and I hope, I am 100% sure, my friends, to upcoming time there is a chance they will give you a profit. But please, if a holder are stop selling, and definitely they are starting selling, so this is possible, otherwise this is impossible now, my friend. So thanks for watching my all Hedera Hashgraph holder for doing this, and I am 100% sure to upcoming time there is a chance, my friends, so they will give you a profit. So please don't miss any chance and take a risk and get a profit. Absolutely you will earn a lot of money, my friends. So thanks for watching holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.